And then, of course, you want to know updates about the two patients upstairs. So, unahin na muna natin yung mga pasyente. Si Attorney Lopez, extended yung detention niya, no? So, meron siyang meetings today with all the lawyers. Nandiyan na rin yung kanyang mother who will join the meetings with the lawyers. So, antay na lang natin kung ano yung galawan ng mga abogado ni Attorney Zulaika Lopez. Health-wise, walang iyak today, kanina, walang iyak. Kausap niya yung mama niya, and dumating din yung best friend niya mula sa Davao City. So, nandyan sa taas. And kagabi naman, medyo